Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see pending connections on LinkedIn. So after you log in with your account on LinkedIn, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click My Network. And from here, you're going to be able, to see how many people sent you the connection request so you can accept it or ignore it. But if you want to see how many people actually saw or how many people you sent the connections to, you can just go ahead right here and click manage, right? And you're going to be able to see how many people that you send a connection with or requesting a connection with. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you, and don't forget to follow us on social media. See you in the next one.